Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Vanguard investments fast. The very first step is to open a Vanguard brokerage account. This process is entirely online and typically takes about 15 minutes to complete. You'll need to choose an account type that suits your needs, like an individual or a retirement account. Be ready to provide some personal information and securely link your bank account for future transfers. Once your account is open, the next crucial step is to fund it. You can easily transfer money from your linked bank account directly to your new Vanguard brokerage account. These electronic transfers typically take about 2 to 3 business days to process and clear. For long-term success, many investors find it beneficial to set up automatic, recurring investments, ensuring consistent contributions over time. With funds in your account, it's time to select your Vanguard investment. Vanguard offers a diverse range of low-cost exchange-traded funds, or ETF, and mutual funds. Many investors start with broad market index funds, such as an S&P 500 fund, for diversified exposure. It's important to choose an investment that aligns with your personal financial goals and your comfort level with risk. Finally, you're ready to make your first investment. Within your Vanguard account, navigate to the Buy and Sell section. Here, you'll enter the ticker symbol or the full name of the Vanguard fund you've chosen, along with the specific dollar amount you wish to invest. Carefully review all the details of your order before confirming it to complete your purchase. Congratulations, you're now investing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.